If you want to see a cool new fly reel, you're in the right place. Introducing the brand new Orvis Mirage LT reels, just landed here in the shop. We are really excited for these things. Looking at these are a very nice, lightweight, compact package, similar to the Mirage, but trimmed down for freshwater applications and times when you don't need quite as much capacity, but really want something nice and light while still offering a really good, dependable drag system. So these Mirage LT reels, they're a fully bar stock machined aluminum frame. They have a titanium shaft to reduce weight but increase the overall durability and strength of the reel. They have a really surprisingly strong drag system. It's a single turn drag system, which is really cool, meaning that you go from 0 to 100 with just one turn of that drag knob. There's no fumbling with many turns, but that has a very high stopping power, which is unique in the lighter weight reel category. These reels, it is important to note, are, because they're LT, a little bit narrower in design, a little bit shallower. So these aren't real high capacity reels, but for freshwater angling or lighter weight use cases, bang on option. These guys, they have a Type 2 anodization. They are saltwater safe as well. So for light inshore use, definitely a great option for you. They come in sizes 3 through 9. So tons of size options for any kind of use case that you want. You can check them out online and in shop now. That is the Orvis Mirage LT.